Hey everybody, welcome into this new tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can make money here into Fiverr using the Canva application. So as you may know, Fiverr works as a freelancer platform. So if you are willing to look for someone that can help you with a graphic design, music and audio, business, lifestyle, something like that. Say for example, I'm going to go into lifestyle. You're going to see that there are a bunch of gigs around. So for example, let's go into the gaming section. What happens if I choose gamers? So this person, it's called Rod Scott. It says, I will shout out your YouTube and Twitch link to active gamers. So this can be helping you if you are like an influencer and a streamer. So you can see the basics in here, standard, the premium. So we know how this Fiverr works, right? So this is all the information about these gigs, the benefits of the gigs, about the seller. So now that you know how does the Fiverr works, how does the gigs are created here into a Fiverr, we can create one of our own. And how can we do that using Canva? Well, here into Canva, what you can see is that we can do a bunch of things. Like for example, if I go into the template section, there are a bunch of things that are already done. For example, we can start creating whiteboards, Instagram posts, planners, flyers, and there are a bunch of gigs that we can create here into Canva. Let's say for example that I can create a specific YouTube thumbnail, right? So I can choose this YouTube thumbnail. You're going to create a blank YouTube thumbnail if you want to, or you can create on a specific thumbnail with a template, with something that has been already done. So let's say I want to choose this thumbnail, right? I want to go into customize this template and I want to make this my own. So speaking about more professional way, this actually looks not that good. So I'm gonna just change that letter. Let's X for, let's say top 5. So what I'm doing here is trying to customize something that has been already created here into Canva. So let's say for example I have this top 5 influencer secrets. So if you are good at making thumbnails into YouTube, you just can create your own. For example, I can make this a little bit more smaller and see if this one is interesting for me. So it kind of looks great for me. So I want to change this color into something a little bit more brighter like this, more brighter like this. And if you want to be a little bit more creative, you can always go into the element section. Now I want to choose, for example, let's see if there's something into the graphics section. I'm going to go into see all. Here you have some magic recommendations. In my case, I'm just going to stick with something a little bit more easy to see, because this is a thumbnail. You can tap your keywords if you want to find something related into the genre, into the title that you are creating. For example, I'm tapping social media to see what can be popping up here into the elements. Stickers, I want to move this a little bit up. And there you have it. So this one right here is the template that we use, and this is our custom thumbnail right now. So as you can see, it looks much more professional. It looks so much better. So after you finish doing something like that, let's say for example that you are creating like 5, 10, 15, 20 thumbnails, and after that you can go into share, go into download, choose PNG because it's like the best one. And once you have your image right in here, you want to use this one as a thumbnail for our first gig into Fiverr. So I'm going to go into Fiverr. I'm going to go up, and in this section I want to go into become a seller. So it's going to be sending us into the fiverr.com/start selling section. I want to become a seller. And actually it's not that hard to create a Fiverr business account. We just need to provide a few information. If you want to check out this video, you can do that. So now as you can see, now that we have an account in here into Fiverr, we can go into the create a new gig section. And in here, this is the part when we want to start describing our gig. You want to include the most keywords as you can. So for example, I will customize your, here's our category. You're going to choose graphic and design, select a save category. Let's go into website design. Then in here into the search tags, we can use a lot of words. We can use 5 tags to get found. So for example, I want to use YouTube. Now we can add some stock media to our gig. I'm going to go into next. We can use a final price, a tag it on as an extra. I got it. So I'm going to scroll all my way down so I can choose some packages in here. So as you can see, I'm just customizing here my gig. You can take your time and do that in here. And after that, I can go into save and continue. And now lastly, what we can do is to scroll a little bit way down so we can import the image that we just downloaded, we just created. You can see here is the top 5 influencer secrets. Alright, so I just created this thumbnail really fast so we can add something more into our gig just real quick. And you can see like the example of how it's going to be looking. So after we have here our images, I'm going to import it right in here. I'm going to put it in here. And after this has been successfully uploaded, I want to go into save and continue. This is going to be asking us for a video. So if you don't know what to add, I strongly suggest you guys to just go into Canva and record the process of how you create this thumbnail so people know how you do your job, so they can be more convinced of what you're going to be selling, right? Now it says you're almost there. Complete the following requirements to start selling. So in my case, I'm not a US person. If you are, just click into yes so you can choose your tax authorities and all that. So I'm going to go into save. No need to fill form W9, so you can go into close. It says you're almost done with your first gig before you start selling. Now last thing you want to do is to verify that phone so they can start the gig, right? So, and there you have it. You can always go into your dashboard and see your active orders that are right in here. If they're not available right away, you don't have to worry about that, because the Fiverr application needs to verify your account, needs to verify your gig and all that. So as you can see, we've created here a gig only by using templates here into Canva. So I've just limited by using GFTube thumbnails, but you can do so much more than that. You can do YouTube banners, you can do whiteboards. There are a bunch of things that you can do inside Canva. You can even do logos for professional influencers and companies. So to choose a gig, to choose what you want to do into Canva, it's totally up to you. I'll just show you what I just did, and actually less than 10 minutes. And so if you spend like an hour or two in Canva, you can actually create some great gigs in here, and you can earn a few dollars just by creating your gigs here into Fiverr, only by using Canva. And Canva is totally for free, so we didn't have to spend absolutely any kind of money in a pen. So hopefully this was a very useful video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Hopefully we will see us again.